good, thank you. You hear me? There's fire sticks on.
Go ahead and we'll just disassemble. I want to see what the bottom end looks like. The whole reason for this exercise is to make sure the motor is what it's supposed to be.
Gotcha.
Numbers say it is, but I want to see what they do on the inside.
Right, right.
So we'll just take everything off, give him the long block, not the manifold, we'll clean all that. And if you can keep the carburetors on it and take them.
Take the manifold off with the...
Yeah, with the carburetors on it, that's good. Just leave it as one unit.
Yeah, I'd like to do that.
And make sure you tape over the carburetors so nothing gets in them.
Yeah.
What we're going to do is we're going to clean everything and we're going to paint it the way it should be.
Right.
For the restoration part, but not, you know, not gloss black. It's hot rod black.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, and this car has got to be on point.